Let's talk about AI. And so let's actually go get in our time machine. Let's go back in time 30 years, right? We have Mosaic is the first browser. It puts the world's information at our fingertips. It's followed by Internet Explorer, Chrome, and Firefox. What sort of changes have elapsed in our lives over the last 30 years? How has it changed your life? How has it disrupted businesses and industries? That's the first digital disruption. And then 20 years ago, in 2003, we had the first social media company. So Flickr, YouTube, and Dig, followed by Twitter and Meta and TikTok, right? It allows us to connect with friends, with colleagues, with strangers, share information, text, audio, video. That's the second digital disruption. How have our lives changed? Can you think of businesses that have been created or destroyed because of it, right? And we are in the first inning of a third digital disruption caused by AI. The hallmark tools are ChatGPT, DALL-E 3, Sora. Tal had me update this over the weekend, so this is how fast things are moving. Stable Diffusion, Anthropic, right? And this is just the beginning. And experts, when they look at this in the context of these first two digital disruptions, they all agree this is going to blow everyone away.